Your entryway is the first chapter of your home's story. But let's be honest, for most of us, it's a chapter we just rush through, a cluttered, forgotten space. But what if your hallway could be a warm, sophisticated embrace the moment you walk in? What if, instead of being a frantic dumping ground, it set the tone for your entire home with a touch of effortless luxury? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 2026 design secrets that turn a boring hallway into a luxurious experience. We're leaving cold, stark minimalism behind. The future is all about spaces that are warm, layered, and deeply personal. We'll show you exactly how to style the perfect console table that's not only beautiful but also tells your unique story, using 4 key trends that are defining the next wave of interior design. The why from minimalism to meaning. For the last decade, design has been dominated by a clean, almost clinical minimalism. But in 2026, we're seeing a major shift in how we think about our homes. It's a move away from those empty corners and that look but don't touch feeling and toward meaningful, personal details. This new direction, sometimes called modern Tuscan or organic luxe, is all about creating spaces that feel lived in and emotionally resonant. It's about whispering luxury through quality materials and personal touches, rather than shouting it with logos. And there's no better place to make this statement than the console table in your entryway. Trend number 1: sculptural foundations and sustainable luxury. First things first, let's talk about the console table itself. In 2026, the table is no longer just a surface. It's a piece of sculpture. Instead of a generic piece, look for one with an organic, flowing form or one made from materials with a story. Think of a beautiful reclaimed wood console, a stone table with dramatic natural veining, or a piece with elegant, curved lines. This trend is a direct response to the backlash against fast furniture, prioritizing unique pieces that feel permanent and thoughtfully crafted. To style it, let the table be the hero. Don't you dare clutter it. Anchor it to the wall with a large, statement piece above it, like a generously sized mirror with an interesting organic shape or a single, impactful piece of art. This creates a powerful focal point that feels both intentional and effortlessly chic. Trend number 2: the art of layered materials. With your sculptural base in place, the next trend is all about layering materials to create a depth you can actually feel. Luxury in 2026 is tactile. The goal is to create a rich, collected vignette. This isn't about buying a matching set from a big box store. Mix warm and cool, hard and soft. On a warm wood console, for example, you could place a cool, heavy marble tray. Inside that tray, add a small sculptural object in a matte black or brushed brass finish. The secret is the beautiful tension between the materials. The grain of natural wood, the cool smoothness of stone, and the gentle shine of metal all work together to create a look that feels sophisticated and alive with visual interest. It's this thoughtful mix that elevates the entire space. Trend number 3: lighting that creates atmosphere. Okay, let's talk about one of the biggest game changers for 2026: lighting. We are officially over that one harsh overhead light. The goal now is to create a room that glows, not glares. Your console table is the perfect stage for this. A sculptural lamp is a non-negotiable. It acts as both a functional light source and a beautiful object in its own right. Think of lighting as the jewelry of your entryway. You can even add another layer with a cluster of candles and beautiful glass or an LED strip hidden behind your mirror for a soft, welcoming aura. This layered approach creates an intimate, inviting mood the moment someone steps inside, making the space feel like a sanctuary. If you're loving these ideas for creating a more thoughtful and luxurious home, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We post new videos every week full of designer secrets, and you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Trend number 4: rich color and curated storytelling. Finally, let's talk about the backdrop and those all-important finishing touches. Stark, all-white walls are officially on their way out. For 2026, designers are embracing rich, warm colors that create an immersive, cocoon-like feeling. Consider a technique called color drenching, where the walls, trim, and even the ceiling are all painted in the same deep, moody hue, like a dusty jewel tone, a rich burgundy, or a warm terracotta. Against a dramatic backdrop like that, your personal items don't just sit there, they sing. This is where you get to tell your story. Avoid generic decor and instead, display a small, personal collection. A stack of beautiful coffee table books adds height and personality. Add a tall, elegant vase with a few dried, architectural botanicals. And finally, place a small, beloved object, something you found on your travels, a vintage treasure. The key is to vary the heights and leave some breathing room, or negative space, so each piece feels important. And that's the blueprint for creating a luxurious and elegant hallway for 2026. It's about choosing a sculptural console, layering rich materials, creating an atmospheric glow with your lighting, and setting it all against a backdrop of rich color with objects that tell your story. Your entryway is your home's first impression. By embracing these principles of warmth, texture, and personality, you can transform it from a forgotten passageway into a curated gallery that welcomes you and your guests. It's not about perfection, it's about creating a space that feels personal, collected, and truly yours. Happy decorating!